Dr. Anthony Fauci back in the spotlight today as he faces questions on Capitol Hill about his handling of the COVID-19 pandemic response.
The hearing is being held by House Republicans. Democrats on the panel are blasting them for focusing on Fauci. ABC's Reena Roy has the latest.
Dr. Anthony Fauci, who became the face of the COVID-19 pandemic response beginning in 2020, is on Capitol Hill today getting grilled by lawmakers.
You and your agency made mistakes, Dr. Fauci. What happened? We all need to be held accountable.
The former director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases was there from the beginning of the 2020 pandemic, appearing alongside former President Donald Trump. Now he's facing questions about the decisions made on social distancing, masking, and remote learning for schools.
My main job during the COVID pandemic was to play a role with my team at the Vaccine Research Center to develop a safe and effective vaccine. And we did that in an unprecedented short period of time.
The House Select Subcommittee on the coronavirus pandemic holding the hearing, with Republicans appearing to be focused on the origins of the virus and if the U.S. played any role in a possible lab leak due to a lack of oversight. Ahead of the hearing, House Republicans also requesting access to Fauci's personal email account and cell phone records after obtaining information they claim calls into question whether Fauci may have tried to keep some records out of the public eye.
Dr. Fauci, did you delete any emails or records related to the Wuhan lab or the origins of the virus?
No, I did not.
Fauci has said he has nothing to hide, testifying voluntarily today after leaving his role in 2022, after serving in the federal government for 5 decades. Democrats acknowledging mistakes were made along the way, but calling the GOP-led investigations a wild goose chase, saying they're spreading more misinformation than actually looking at what can be fixed for the future.
The Select Subcommittee still does not possess a shred of evidence to substantiate these extreme allegations.
Fauci was also Biden's chief medical advisor for a while before stepping down from that role as well. It is worth noting that this hearing comes during the pivotal election season, with Trump appearing to try and distance himself from Fauci and the role he played during his administration. Reena Roy, ABC News, New York.